SUNHUNK high-end refrigerated trucks, where aesthetics meet strength. Who sets the beauty standard in the refrigerated truck industry? SUNHUNK is certainly at the top of the list. Not only does it have a sleek, elegant appearance, but its performance is also top-notch. Our refrigerated trucks feature a T6-grade high-strength aluminum profile floor, welded in one go by an automated 8-weld path welding machine, offering high strength and good load-bearing capacity to meet the needs of forklift loading and unloading. Metal plate fastening plus open-cell foaming technology lead the way in freshness, insulation performance that earns rave reviews. Moreover, we adhere to a green and environmentally friendly production philosophy, committed to becoming the most trusted provider of global cold chain logistics solutions. High-end refrigerated truck, choose SUNHUNK.